everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we got a real treat for you, man. I love this car. Just an absolutely gorgeous 1958 Chevrolet Impala. Killer car, guys. Tri-Power 348 underneath the hood. Factory color, it's a factory Rio red car. That's color on this car with the original tri-tone interior. I believe this car was originally a two-tone car, though, red and white. But it was the Rio red. Very cool car, guys. Gentleman we bought this car from, he's owned this car 20 years. It is an older restoration, said it was done about 15 years ago, said there's hardly any miles on it. I can tell you, I believe this is the 5th car I bought out of his collection. Every single one of them has been beautiful, just like this car. Matter of fact, I just bought a GTO, about a year ago from him, and a buddy of ours has it and just absolutely loves the car. But great car, like I say, he's owned it for 20 years. And I'm telling you, just a little baby doll. Thing hits the road, just acts, it runs and drives great. You know these 58s are tough to find. And man, that's a good one right there. Not a whole lot to nitpick. Really turn the key and go cruise it. A lot of fun. As you can see, the chrome and stainless is very nice on the car. I saw a couple little touch-up marks. That's just a little piece of the rag we're wiping it down. But boy, there's not a whole lot to not love on this car. I'll tell you that right now. It's just a good car. Again, little stone peck there. Couple little things, but not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. That's just a little something there for me. Tennessee car, good solid straight body. That's what I'm going to say is about the worst of it. You see little touch-up marks. Beautiful interior. Love the color combo on this car. A lot of optional chrome. My buddies, when he talked about these are nail guards for when you reach your hands in there, or I guess when the ladies reach your hands in there, they don't scratch the paint with their nails. Glass is nice. Like I say, the car just hits the road. Outstanding. Dual antennas. I think we might get through a video here with it dry. We're battling the raindrops today. A little touch-up mark there. It's DuPont paint. There's a little tag for the paint that's actually on the car in the glove box with the original owner's manual. Love the taillights on these cars. These cars are just super cool. They're so unique. 1 year run for this body right here. Again, good, solid, straight car. I dig it, man. Really cool car. It's got Coker Classic radial wide whites all the way around it with the spinner caps. Again, it's got the exhaust port rear trim. That's an option. Dual chrome mirrors. 348 tri-power underneath the hood. Just runs and drives, like you say, just as sweet as can be. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Got the old Remy, Delco Remy generator with a power steering box behind it. They have upgraded it to power front disc brakes. Stock Harrison radiator in there with The shroud, original trim tag still intact in the back. Factory powerglide automatic trans. You're looking for a nice 58, I just gotta believe you're gonna love this car. It's just a killer car. And these cars are tough for me to get my hands on. Matter of fact, I can't tell you the last time I've had a doggone 58. It's been a few years, guys, I'll tell you that right now. Tried to buy a black one this year out in Arizona, which brought more than this car, and I'll tell you what, it couldn't be on the same parking lot as this car. This car is way nicer than that one. Again, dual chrome mirrors. Door handles are nice. Love this interior. Factory bench seat, again, tri-tone, stock steering wheel. Steering wheel's nice, gauges are nice and clean, showing 28,565. He didn't know the miles on it, guys, but I'll bet you there's a couple thousand miles on the restoration. He doesn't drive them, has multiple cars. It's got the factory tissue dispenser in it. That's the original AM radio. They've actually converted it to FM, and it does work. Dual exhaust. Stock rear end, it's a 336 factory gear in it, but they have added the rear sway bar. Stock jack with spare in here. That's a sweetheart right there, man. That is just a gorgeous car. So, body color in the trunk. These cars are cool, man, just so unique. Again, car's clean underneath, floors are nice and clean. Seats are really nice. Again, the owner's manual's in the glove box there. Gauges are nice and clean. And along with the original, or not the original, but the paint tag is in there. A-pillar chrome is nice. Jordan's got a roundup. Guy's chopping off something. Just a little sweetheart, man. That's just a nice car. See the old original tag still on the carburetor? That's just a good car. Hits the road, just floats down the road. Gauges are functional. Backup lights work. Boy, that's a nice car right there.
Radio works. Does he? Again, it's been converted to FM blower motor. Yep, it works.
Doors open and close real nice. Oh, wipers do work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Boy, that's a baby doll right there, man. Good looking car. That's a great body style right there. Love the dual antenna on the back. And someone pulls out in front of him.